Alright friends, as I mentioned, I want to teach you a strategy related to Heikin Ashi candles in this video. Previously, I explained Heikin Ashi candles in detail in another video. I recommend you watch that video first before moving on to this strategy, because in that video, I thoroughly explained the structure of Heikin Ashi candles and their differences from Japanese candles. It's essential to have a basic understanding of them before using these strategies. For this strategy, we need an RSI indicator. I've opened an RSI down here, and as for its settings, I've set the period to 14. Now, let's proceed. The RSI levels are set at 30, 70, and 50. Our main focus will be on the 50 level, which I have chosen to display in black and increased its thickness so it can be seen better on the chart. We don't really need the 30 and 70 levels for this strategy, so let me go ahead and remove them entirely so they don't appear at all. Alright, I think this looks better. Our RSI is now focused on the 50 level, and this red line is our RSI line. In this strategy, our focus is on the 50 level of the RSI. Whenever the RSI line crosses this 50 level from below to above, it indicates an upward trend. Conversely, whenever it crosses the 50 level from above to below, it indicates a downward trend. The key point of this strategy is to enter a trade at a point where both the RSI and Heikin Ashi candles confirm the trend. This means we need confirmation on both the Heikin Ashi chart and the RSI indicator. In general, as I mentioned, whenever the RSI breaks the 50 level and moves downward, we are actually waiting for a sell trade or a downward move. But how does the Heikin Ashi chart itself confirm this signal in addition to the RSI? This means whenever we see this movement on the RSI, for example here, our RSI breaks the 50 level from below to above, indicating we are expecting an upward trend and should prepare for a buy trade. However, we can only enter the trade when the candles on the Heikin Ashi chart change from red to green in a scenario where we want to make a buy trade. The candles should have changed color from red to green, indicating a trend reversal. After this color change, we should see two consecutive upward green candles without lower shadows. Once we see these two candles, we can enter the trade. As you can see here, the RSI broke the 50 level from below to above. The candles were red, then turned green, and here we have two green candles. We can enter the trade here. Notice that up to this point, we were in an upward trend. Even here, when two doji candles formed, followed by two green candles, we had an opportunity to enter. However, there's no need to enter very long-term trades. Well, the opposite is also true. Here, the RSI breaks the 50 level from above to below, and the candles change color from green to red. We see two red candles without upper shadows, or with very small upper shadows, which is acceptable. Long shadows are not acceptable, but small ones are fine. We can see that if we had entered the trade right here on this candle, the price continued to drop significantly, allowing us to execute a successful trade. This is the general rule of our strategy, and it is crucial to follow all the details precisely. Even if we see the RSI breaking the level, if we see two candles with good bodies and no shadows, but there is no color change in the candles, we should not enter the trade. Similarly, if the candles change color from red to green, and we see two candles with good bodies and no shadows, but the RSI has not broken the 50 level, we should also avoid entering the trade. Even if it looks like we might have made a profit in a few minutes, it's better to stick to the strategy's rules to ensure a higher success rate. I will continue to analyze different charts, find suitable opportunities that match our strategy's criteria, and execute several trades. I will then share the video of these trades with you in the continuation of this video. Dear friends, to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, please subscribe to the BS Academy channel. Also, activate the notification bell so that you are informed as soon as we publish new videos. Thank you for your support.